Well, healthcare providers across the state are working together to encourage parents to have their children vaccinated. WBKB reporter Katie Corman has more on the local trends that have some doctors concerned.
When you don't get vaccinated, you're putting your child at risk for more lab tests, for more hospitalizations, and for disease, death, disability, blindness, etc. But you're not only putting your child at risk, you're putting other people's children at risk.
Michigan has the fourth highest percentage of non-medical vaccination exemptions across the country. Dr. Joshua Meyerson says recent figures show more than 8% of Alpena students have waived vaccinations, up from the state average of 6%.
It's really concerning to me because, in order to maintain a healthy community, we need high enough immunization rates to prevent the spread of disease.
Dr. Tina Hahn, a pediatrician in Alpena, says it's not just children who are susceptible to catching these preventable diseases. The elderly and people with compromised immune systems are also at risk.
It's important to let people know that they're not just taking a risk with their own child, but they're taking a risk with other members of their community.
Meyerson says some parents choose to not have their children vaccinated for a variety of reasons, including religion or an illness which prevents them from being immunized.
And unfortunately, sometimes those reasons simply include an issue of convenience, that they were unable to get to the physician's office or get their child immunized, so they just felt it easier to fill out a form than to protect their children and their community from these vaccine-preventable diseases.
Parents are urged to speak with their children's pediatrician if they have questions or concerns about vaccinations. In Alpena, Katie Corman, WBKB News.